It's been like forever since I've mentioned that I'll be doing another Daiso makeup video for you guys, and finally, here it is! Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So to start with, I will just be using this concealer as my eyelid primer because I believe I haven't seen any eyelid primer available at Daiso. And I will be setting that with my face powder that I got from Daiso too. And this is going to be my first eyeshadow. I will just be applying this onto my crease as my transition color as well as to define my crease area. Next, I will be taking this eyeshadow stick and I will be applying this all over my mobile lid, and this serves as a very good base on our eyeshadow, and this is going to be our eyeshadow, guys. I will just be wetting my brush and I'm using that dark brown shadow and I'm applying it onto the inner and outer corners of my eyes like so. And then I'm taking a blending brush just to make sure that I blend those edges. And then I will be using this pink shadow from the same palette and applying this only on the center of the mobile eyelid. And then don't forget to blend again. So I will just be using this white eyeshadow from the same palette as my brow bone highlight. You may be wondering, it's so shimmery, but I promise that this shadow is not that shimmery. And now it's time to do the wing eyeliner. I need to do a wing eyeliner on this look because I really love the effect of the wing eyeliner. It just makes my eyes look very big and elongated. And of course, don't forget to tightline your upper waterline to complete the eyes. Don't forget to curl those lashes to prep for our false eyelashes. I'm so sorry that I will just be using this mascara, guys, because I haven't seen or found any good mascara from Daiso. And of course, I will be applying this beautiful lashes that is from Daiso as well. Oh yeah, the struggle is real, you guys. This big pimple. But anywho, I would just be covering my dark under eye circles here, and I'm using a sponge to pat on that powder that I got from Daiso. And to blend everything together, I will be using my elf brush. And then I will be spot concealing, of course, that big pimple using that same concealer and blending it using my fingers and patting it again with this sponge. And now it's time for the brows, and of course I'm using my favorite eyebrow pencil from Daiso. And if you want to see how I groom and fill in my brows, I have a video on that, so make sure to check the description box for that video. And now I will just be contouring a little my nose so that it will look a little taller. And I will just be using this bronzer from Etude House because I haven't found any bronzer from Daiso. And of course, this pretty blush. Yeah, it's so dang pretty, but I must admit that it's not that pigmented, but it still does work, you guys. So I will just be using that white shadow as my highlight. Yep, of course we need to highlight. And finally, let's do the lips. This is my favorite lip liner from Daiso, and of course my favorite lipstick from Daiso. This is a very good everyday lipstick, you guys. It doesn't dry my lips. I just love it. And also, let's finish the eyes by applying that dark shadow and eyeliner onto the outer corners, and don't forget to brighten that inner corner as well. And of course, don't forget to apply tons of mascara on the lower lashes. And we're finished! So this is the final look, you guys. I really end up loving the eye makeup here. It just looks so sultry and sexy. Yeah, I did not expected that it would turn out like this, but we did it! Yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, there are some products that I've used in this video that I don't like that much, especially the concealer. Oh my gosh, it is so dry. Yeah, I tried to apply it on my under eye area. Although it covers a little of my darkness here, but it feels so dry. I don't like that in my concealer. And Yeah, as well as covering my spot, my berg spot here. I don't think that it did a pretty good job in covering my spots there. I don't like that concealer. I don't recommend that concealer. But the powder, oh my gosh, I love the powder. It feels so silky smooth. I did not expect it to be like that, yeah, for 108 yen. And also it doesn't smell anything, like nothing. Most often from my experience, when I buy a little cheaper powders, they have that cosmetic-y scent into them. So this one, it doesn't have any smell and it feels so good. It feels so silky. I like the powder. I recommend buying that powder. And of course the eyeshadow too, and the lips that I'm wearing too. It's my favorite lipstick from Daiso, aside from that one that is a lip gloss, I think. But this one is a lipstick, and I like this lipstick so much because for 108 yen, it has a good color payoff, and as well as it doesn't dry my lips. Yeah, it's so amazing. And what else? Of course, the lashes. Of course, you know me. If you watch my video, you already know that I love Daiso lashes because it just applies so easy. And what else? I think the blush is just right. I don't fancy much the blush. But yeah, I think the number one product that I really enjoyed using is the powder. I wasn't expecting that much from that powder, but I really like it. And yeah, this is what we have, guys. So I guess that will be all. And yeah, I do really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, guys. And if you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Daiso makeup looks to come. Yeah, that is so exciting. I'm getting excited because I have a lot of Daiso makeup looks at the back of my mind right now to do for you all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Thank you once again, and I love you always, guys. Peace.